Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to do some shearing using your single needle machine. All you will need is a piece of fabric, preferably non-stretchy, and some elastic thread. You will need your ruler and some tailored chalk so that you can mark down the lines of where you will be sewing. The reason that you want to mark down the lines is so that this helps guide you whenever you're sewing on the shearing, and it'll be straight and it'll look nice and clean versus being all sloppy or kind of all over the place. So this really helps you in also practicing your straight lines. So this is nice because the tailor chalk goes away once you wash it, or you can just wipe it off with a wet rag, and yeah, that should do the trick. Once you are done marking all your lines, you can do as many as you'd like. You will start grabbing your bobbin and your elastic thread, and you will thread your bobbin by hand. Normally you thread your bobbin with your machine, however, you do not want to stretch out your elastic, so you do this process slowly and carefully so that it doesn't get all tangled up and doesn't look sloppy on your bobbin. This will avoid a lot of issues with your elastic thread getting stuck on your machine. So just try not to stretch it that much as you're winding it with your hand. Once you are done threading your bobbin by hand, you will then go ahead and place it in your machine, and you can now start sewing down the straight lines that you had marked with your tailor chalk. I did this with a very basic sewing machine, so you don't need a professional machine to do shearing. As you can see, this is how the shearing turns out, and it looks really cool on your designs. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a like and follow.